Good evening, Gautam. Good evening, Kritika. Today, most important part of circle we are going to do. Aparna, good evening, beta. Kritika. Okay, let's start the class. See, till now we have understood the standard equation of circle and we were solving question based on that only. That was the standard equation of circle was x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, where h and k was the center of the circle and r was the radius of the circle. Now Shreya, good evening beta. Now today what we are going to do is we will be seeing the general equation of a circle. So and now we are going to take the general equation of the circle and we will convert the general equation of the circle into standard equation of circle. Okay. So general equation of circle, Pooja, good evening beta. General equation of circle we will take and we will convert them into standard equation of circle. So there will be a formula, that formula only you are going to use and it will become easy for you to solve any question based on that formula. So what is the general equation of a circle? The general equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. But this is exactly called as general equation of a circle. Okay, now this is what it is called as. It is called as general equation of a circle and we will convert this general equation of a circle into standard equation of a circle. The general equation of a circle can get converted into standard equation of a circle. Good evening, Anila. I am repeating, the general equation of a circle will get converted into standard equation of a circle. Now, how can we convert the general equation to standard equation? Okay, there are certain rules. Arvind, good evening, beta. Now, most critical part, after this, I am going to start derivative chapter. So, remind this section. Arvind, good evening. So remind this section that after this derivative. So the most important sections we are going to start. Derivative is one of a very important concept and based more important part is exactly going to be used in class 11th. Okay. Now look here. So x square. Now very simple way I am going to teach so that you can understand. First work is we are going to take x square and 2gx together. So x square plus 2gx taken together. Now what we are going to do is x square and 2gx taken together. Now we are going to take y square plus 2fy, y square plus 2fy. Now what is left here? C is left. Okay, C section is left. C section is left. Now to make it a complete square and to make it a complete square, what we need? It is a square plus 2ab. That means g is nothing but b. And this here f is exactly going to be added or subtracted. So what we are going to do here is in this section we will be adding 2gx plus g square and we will subtract g square also. In this section we are going to add f square and we are going to subtract f square also. Okay, so both Danish, good evening beta. So both work we have done, one time we have added and one time we have subtracted. Now whatever content is common, shall we take it? So it is going to become x plus g whole square. Now here it is going to become y plus f whole square. Now what left here? The leftover part is this negative section and this c. So now g square plus f square minus c came here. Okay, now that means what we have seen here, we have seen one thing, x minus of minus g whole square plus y minus of minus f whole square equal to root under g square plus f square minus c. So that means now it is coming into our standard equation. What is our standard equation? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So now this, if we will compare the general equation and standard, refer to what, ma'am? Exactly, you have to understand in conic section one equation is there, beta. Now after this chapter conic section I am going to start now, like parabola, hyperbola. At that time I am going to show you one equation of conic section. Exactly, equation of this one is derived from conic section only, beta. X square, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, like that one formula is there. From there only we have just derived it. Okay, now for circle part, beta, this is exactly called as general equation of circle. General equation of circle. You have seen some general equation of circle now. That only general equation of circle this is. Okay. Like G is constant, F is also constant, and C is also constant. All the three are constant, beta, and they are real constant. They are not imaginary. They are real constant. What are the three? They are exactly real constant. Okay, like when you were writing like this, just understand this part. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 5 square. You were getting the standard equation of a circle now. Now after getting the standard equation of a circle, you were writing it like this now. So here you see, this is only the set. If you will compare this, equation, then it is coming as x square plus 2gx plus y square plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now look here, this 2gx part is nothing but minus 6x, 2fy is nothing but minus 8y. Now understood? Come on, quickly tell me, now you have understood? Exactly, when standard equation of a circle you are generalizing, then what is the coefficient of x part is there? It is nothing but 2g. It is nothing but 2g. Now understood? Gautam, is it clear? For everyone, is it clear? For everyone, is it clear? From the standard equation of a circle, whatever equation you are writing, minus 6x is nothing but it is exactly 2gx. Okay. And this part minus 8y is nothing but 2fy. So this part everybody I am requesting to remember. Okay, means I don't want anyone to mug anything, just I am discussing this one and I want you all to remember this section. So if somebody will be saying you what is the center of the circle, then you are going to say that in this case minus g and minus f. For general equation, when you are writing the general equation, okay, I am going to explain it one more time, Gautam. So exactly the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is nothing but the general equation of the circle. This is what? This is the general equation of the circle. Then what I have done? I took x square and 2gx together. Okay. Then I took y square plus 2fy together and plus c is there. Now this part is missing g square for making it a complete square, because our standard equation is what? Our standard equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. It's exactly quadratic in both variable x and y. It's what? It's quadratic in both variable x and y. So beta, we have to convert it as a complete square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. To convert it into b square, g was there. So g square was missing. So I added g square, I subtracted g square. Same way I added f square, I subtracted f square. And then plus c I kept as it is. Okay. Now what next I have done? This part is going to come as a plus b whole square. This part is going to come that is a plus b whole square. And now this minus g square minus f square and c, I shifted it this side. Now you know the general equation of the circle. In general equation of the circle, in center minus is there. So I just took minus outside. So this part is coming minus g. Here also minus taken out. So this part is coming as minus f. Now g minus of minus x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square, and r square is coming. So r is nothing but root under g square plus f square minus c. R is coming as nothing but root under g square plus f square minus c, and center is coming as minus g minus f. What is center? Center is minus g minus f. Now if somebody will be giving us this equation, what work we are going to do? Now look here, if anyone can give us any equation now, directly from the general equation we can take out center and we can take out radius. I'll tell you how to take out center and how to take out radius, but till here we have understood now how to get, what is the center here? Minus g minus f. Minus g minus f is the center, and radius here is root under g square plus f square minus c. Okay, Saranya, good evening. Saranya, good evening beta. So center is coming as minus g minus f, and radius is coming as g square plus f square minus c. G square plus f square minus c is the radius part of it. So now one by one I am going to explain certain things. Certain rules are there for understanding the center part. So we can also write one thing, like if somebody will be asking directly how to write the center, like one equation is given to you, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. So this is the equation of circle given to you. Now what is the general equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay, now center is what? So now how to get the center? One shortcut formula for getting the center is minus 1 by 2 coefficient of x comma minus 1 by 2 coefficient of y. Why I have done like that? Because you have to compare this one, 2g you have to compare. You have to compare exactly this 2g with minus 2. Okay, 2g with minus 2. But how many times we are going to write this? We are going to write that directly. One small work we are going to do, and that small work is whatever coefficient of x is there, we will write here. Whatever coefficient of y is there, we will write here. So what is the coefficient of x here? Come on, quickly tell me, what is the coefficient of x here? What is the coefficient of x and what is the coefficient of y? What is the coefficient of x and what is the coefficient of y there? Quickly tell me, what is the coefficient of x and what is the coefficient of y here? Coefficient of x and coefficient of y. Coefficient of x is minus 2. So minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 comma minus 1 by 2 into minus 4. Cancel this one and minus into minus will become, so center will become 1 comma 4. Center will become 1 comma 4. Center will become 1 comma 4. Directly we can write like that. So center is coming as 1 comma 4. Now by process also you can do. By process also you can do. Nobody stopped you from using process also. So what is the process here? You can compare 2g with minus 2. So 2g equal to minus 2. This cancelled. G is coming as minus 1. Then 2f equal to minus 4. So f equal to minus 2. And then you will write center is minus g minus f. So g is minus 1. So minus of minus 1. And then here f is minus f is there. So minus of minus 2. So it is coming as 1 comma 2. But applying this formula directly it is coming. By applying this formula directly this part is coming. Come on, quickly tell me. By applying this formula directly we are getting yes or no? And then after getting g and f, only one small work will be there, and that small work is to get the radius. So we need not to convert it into standard form. Directly we can apply 2 and 2 not 4. Yes. So directly we can get the answer. Directly we can get the answer. So now some properties are there. We are going to understand that properties. Now first important property will be there. That is the first important part we are going to discuss here is ki when this g square plus f square minus c, this is exactly going to be radius. So this is going to represent what? This is going to represent radius. So now this part should be greater than 0. This part will be greater than 0. This part should be greater than 0. So if this part will be greater than 0, then circle is existing And why? Because then radius will be there. So radius will be, circle exists and radius will be real. Radius we will be getting real. That means definitely the circle will have circumference, it will have width, radius part will be more than 0, radius part will be more. But if g square plus f square minus c will be equal to 0, at that time what will happen? Radius will become 0, and if radius part will itself become 0, then it will not be a circle, it will be a point. Then circle will be a point. Then circle will be what? Then circle will be a point. It will not be a circle, it will just be a point. That time what we can say? It is exactly a point. And when g square plus f square, g square plus f square minus, what I am writing here, minus c is less than 0, then definitely the circle is imaginary. This time the circle will be imaginary, but one thing will be there, its center will be real. Center will be real at that case also. Okay, center will be real, but circle will be imaginary. Center will be real, but circle will be imaginary. It will come under complex field. It will come under which field? It will come under complex field. So just remember this one. When radius will be exactly, this part is representing radius. So when radius will be exactly greater than 0, then circle will be existing. It will be real. When radius will be equal to 0, then circle will be a point. When radius will be less than 0, then it is exactly imaginary circle, but its center will be real. Its center will be real. This you have to remember. Okay, now next important point is, in general equation of a circle you have to remember some things like x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is exactly what? This is the equation of general equation of circle. So if this is general equation of circle, then here there is no coefficient of xy. There is no term like that. For circle equation there will be no xy term. Remember this part, there will be no xy term. For x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, one very important thing is, good evening Abhinav, good evening Ashutosh, late today. So here xy, there will be no xy term there. Most important thing, here x separately and y separately will be exactly making quadratic equation. X separately and y separately will be making quadratic equation. Okay, and there will be no term containing x and y. There will be no term containing x and y. Next important thing, these g, f and c, they all should be real. They should not be imaginary, they should be real and they are constant only. They should be real and they are constant only. So shall we start solving questions? So some rules were there. I discussed those rules. Now we are going to start solving questions. You have to find the center and the radius, and your equation is x square plus y square plus, okay, you have to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. You have to find the center and you have to find the radius. You have to find the center and then after that you have to find the radius. Come on. No here and there. Direct formula apply and get the answer. You are in which class, or you are a teacher? Was busy in giving mocks. 3,2 is center. Okay. 3,2 is center and okay, radius. Oh, you are in 11th class. Super Ashutosh. Now what is the center and what is the radius, beta? Then find it out fast. What is the center and what is the radius? Sarnya 3,2, but what about the radius, beta? Now look here, I told you to get the center, one formula we have to follow. That formula is minus 1 by 2 coefficient of x, comma minus 1 by 2 coefficient of y. So directly coefficient of x is minus 6. So minus 1 by 2 into minus 6 comma minus 1 by 2 into minus 4. So it is exactly going to come as 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 is the center of the circle. So here center is coming as 3 comma 2. Fine. So 3 comma 2 we got. After getting 3 comma 2 we have to get the radius. So what will be radius? What will be radius? Radius formula is root under g square plus f square minus c. Radius is g square. Fine. So g is what? What is f? What is c? Nine plus 4 plus 12 root under 25. So radius is 5. Fine. Radius is coming as 5. Radius is coming as 5. Now do hard work. After that only life will be very, what you called? Prince also is in class 11, Saranya, and he is solving class 12th. Some children are born genius, beta. They are doing so much hard work. Now look here. Minus 3. You are also solving, Nare, Saranya. Now look here. Minus 3 whole square plus minus 2. Minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 whole square minus of minus 12. She is not bro, she is sister. Okay. 9 plus 4 plus 12. It is coming as 5. They were simple, but you are very quick, Ashutosh. Really, you have a very nice brain. Okay. So that is 5 is going to be the answer. Shall we go for next question? Okay. Shall we go for next question, please? Question is, when 2x is square, here coefficient of x and coefficient of y, it has to be same. For circle, coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square. I repeat, coefficient of x square. Among one of the property, you have to remember one thing. Coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square. To get the general equation of circle, another important point is coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square has to be same. Coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square has to be same. Remember this part. That's good, beta. Now look here. Solve this question. When this question will be given to you, how you are going to handle the question? First thing is that whatever equation is given to you, first you remove this. Coefficient of x square should be 1 for circle. Coefficient of y square should be 1. Okay. It should not be any other thing. Namaste, Rohit. Namaste, Rohit. So now look here. X square, 2x square plus 2y square plus 3x plus 4y plus 9 by 8 is there. So first work is remove that 2. Remove that 2. Once you will be removing that 2, then general equation of the circle will become 3 by 2x plus 2y plus 9 by 16 equal to 0. Okay. So x square plus y square plus 3 by 2x plus 2y plus 9 by 16 is coming. Now it is coming into a general equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now shall we write like that? So now g will be coming as minus 3 by 4. Come on, tell me quickly. What will be g? Now I told you center finding formula. How to get the center? Center means coefficient minus 1 by 2 into coefficient of x comma minus 1 by 2 into coefficient of coefficient of y, minus 1 by 2 into coefficient of x, minus 1 by 2 into coefficient of y. Small work only you have to do. So now what is coefficient of x here? Coefficient of x here, this one you check, don't see this one, because here 2 and 2 is there. After removing, what equation will come? From here only you have to find the center. From this part only you have to find the center. Come on, tell me the answer. So what answer you are going to get? So minus 1 by 2 coefficient of x. Gautam has given the answer minus 3 by 4 minus 1. What about others? Now look here, minus 1 by 2 coefficient of x and minus 1 by 2 coefficient of y. So minus 1 by 2 coefficient of x is what? Coefficient of x is 3 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 2, comma, then minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into coefficient of y is 2. So this got cancelled. So center is coming as minus 3 by 4 minus 1. Absolutely. Those who have given minus 3 by 4 minus 1, only Gautam has given the answer. So center is coming as minus 3 by 4 minus 1. Come on, quickly tell me, is it very difficult to find the center of the circle? Saranya, Kritika, Pooja, tell me beta, is it difficult? Should I give you more question to get the center? And then here one small work is there. You just see here 2g is equal to 3 by 4. So g is coming as 2g is equal to 3 by 4. So g is coming as what? G part will be coming as, okay. So Saranya, solve and say the center beta. First center and after that radius. So radius will be g square. Now g is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 whole square. And f will be what? F will be, if you will compare this and this, f is coming as 1. So 1 square and then 1 square and then minus c. So minus 9 by 16 root under. So 9 by 16 minus 9 by 16 plus 1 root under. So radius is coming as 1. Check radius is coming as 1 or not. Radius is exactly coming as 1. So radius is coming as 1 beta. Radius will come as 1. So now one more question I am giving, but I want everyone to solve that question. I want everyone to solve that question. Then only I will be shifting from this part to the next part of the question. See, G finding is very simple. Center finding, what is the formula? Minus 1 by, you can use this, you can compare them, you can compare the general equation with this equation and get G, and then center you can write minus G minus F. There are two ways to get it. Okay, what are the two ways to get it? You compare 2g with 3 by 2, 2f with 2, and then you can solve. Either one thing you can do, and then center you can write minus g and minus f. This is one way to go like that, and another method is directly applying this formula and directly put g value and f value, because square is there. If minus also you will put, no problem, the answer will be going to be coming in plus. So g square plus f square minus c, you will be getting the answer. So radius is coming here as 1 and center is coming here as minus 3 by 4. I want all of you to solve this question. The equation of the circle given to you is, just solve this part. No one is going to wait, everyone is going to solve. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 15 equal to 0. Now get it. Now solve this equation and give the answer. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 15 equal to 0. Center and radius. Get the center and radius. One comma 2 as center. Saranya, 1 comma 2 as center. Okay. Radius. Give me the radius. Center is okay. Radius you find and tell. Radius you find and tell. Radius you find and tell. What will be the radius coming here? Now look here. Directly I told you na coefficient formula. So in coefficient part, now it's, don't write that, because what is coefficient of x? minus 2, center minus 1 by 2 into coefficient of x, comma, minus 1 by 2 into coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is minus 4. Cancel this 2 times. So it is exactly coming as 1, comma 2. Center is coming as 1, comma 2. Very good. Now radius part. Radius is root under. See, whatever is coming, it is going to be g. So g is coming as minus 1 square. Now look here. If you are getting problem in comparing with to get g, so equation is 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So 2g is equal to minus 2. So g is equal to minus 1. Now 2f equal to minus 4. So f equal to minus 2. And then c equal to 15 is there. But here in the equation c equal to minus 15. Minus of equation minus 15 is there. So it is exactly going to come as 1 plus 4 plus 15. So it is coming as 15 plus 4, 19, 20. So root under 20 is radius. Root under 20 is radius. Absolutely correct, Saranya. Radius is root under 20 or 2 root 5. Radius is root under 20 or 2 root 5. Radius is 2 root under 20 or 2 root 5. I hope you might have understood how to solve this question. How to get the centers. See, look here. General equation. Only one small thing I taught you in this part, and that is to get the center coefficient of x, you have to check. What is the coefficient of x here? Minus 2. So with minus 1 by 2, whatever coefficient of x is there, multiply that one. You will be getting x part. And whatever is there minus 1 by 2 with minus 4 you do directly, you will be getting the y, that is the center, both equation x and y part you are going to get. Understood? It's not tough. And then g and g square plus f square, radius formula is root under g square plus f square minus c. Radius formula is root under g square plus f square minus c. Now this time I want all of you to solve. Let's see. Pooja, Shreya, Bhumi, everyone get ready. Anila, Kritika, get ready. This time I want all my children to solve this question. Question is x square plus y square. I know Saranya, Gautam, they only are solving, but I want all of you to solve this question. Try this question out, beta. Now find the center. Find the center and radius. Find the center and radius, beta. You will do it. Find the center and radius. You will do it. Come on, you can do it. Try this one out. Then we will go for solving some questions. Once you will come to know how to get the center and this part now, then we will go for word problems. I'm sticking because still center is coming as minus 3, minus 3. After that radius, you are taking time to get the radius only, beta. Try to get the radius fast. Very good, Adit. Center is coming as 1, 1. Let's see. Check, Adit. Radius is also 3. No problem, Adit. Now look here, beta. Here again minus 1 by 2 into coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is what? Coefficient of x is 6. Multiply. Then minus 1 by 2 for center. Then minus 1 by 2 into coefficient of y. Okay. What happened, Ashutosh? Give answer, yaar. What happened to you? So answer is coming as minus 3 and minus 3. Then what is the radius? Radius part will be what? Radius will be, what will be the radius? Radius is g square plus f square. G is 3. So 9 plus 9 plus, sorry, minus 9. Because it is coming as minus 3 whole square. So g is coming as 3 now. So 3 square plus 3 square minus this part c is there. So formula is g square plus f square minus c root under. So it is coming as 9 minus 9 cancel. So radius is coming as 3 units. Radius is coming as 3 units. Radius is coming as 3 units. Shall we go for next question? Now we are going to solve some word problems. Okay. Now in the word problem, first question is find the equation of a circle. find the equation of the circle, find the equation of the circle whose center is at point 3, 5. So equation of that circle, 4, 5 is given, okay, and which passes through the center of the circle, which passes through the center of the circle, x square plus y square minus gx plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So this is the equation, beta. Solve it. No, Ashutosh, it's easy for you, I know that. Find the equation of the circle whose center is at point 4, 5 and which passes through the center of the circle this. So one circle, two circles are there. First, literally what you have to think about that, two circles are there. One circle is this one, and another circle is this one. But problem here is this circle we cannot take because one of the circle is passing through the center of another circle, which is exactly passing through the center of another. Now it is okay. Now exactly what is given. Find the equation of the circle whose center is at point 4, 5. So now this circle center is 4, 5. And now this circle is passing to the center of another circle. So this is the center of another circle, and this circle equation given to you is x square plus y square minus gx plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. That means beta, this circle center equation of the circle is given, but this circle is exactly touching the another circle at its center. The most important point here is from this center O to this center O dash. O dash is the radius of this circle. Okay, so if this is circle C1 and this is circle C2, then O dash is the radius of circle C1. So O dash is what? O dash is the radius of this circle. Okay. O dash is the radius of this circle. So since O dash is the radius of this circle, try this one, Adit, we can do it beta. Now look here. So now one thing is there beta, from this equation of the circle, I told you now ki how to get the equation of the circle. Only you have to get the center from this. So equation of the circle given is x square plus y square minus 2gx plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. We need not to get the radius of this circle also. We only have to get the center of this circle. Then by using distance formula, we can get the radius. We can get the radius. So only this strategy has to be there. See, Saru has solved the question x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equal to 50. Very good. Well done, Saru. Now look here. So this part is exactly going to come as x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 is coming. Now center, what is the formula for center beta? Formula for center is minus 1 by 2 into coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 6, comma minus 1 by 2 into coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is 4. Now cancel this one 3 times, cancel this one 2 times. So it is coming minus into minus, it is coming as center is coming as 3, comma minus 2. So now we got center here as 3, comma minus 2. So this center what we were looking forward, center is coming as, I am writing the center here, center is 3, comma minus 2. So this is the center of O dash. Now what is the distance O dash? Because O dash is radius of circle. So O dash is equal to 4 minus 3, 1 square, plus 5 minus of minus 2. So 5 minus of minus 2 whole square. So it is coming as 1 plus 7 square. It is coming as root under 50. It is coming as root under 50. Yes, absolutely correct. So now you have radius. Radius is coming. This is nothing but radius of circle C1. Radius of circle C1. So now we got everything. Center is x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equal to radius square. So that is root under 50 whole square. So it is coming as x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equal to 50. X minus 4 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equal to 50. So this is exactly the standard equation of the circle. This circle equation only we had to find, and we got the equation of the circle. Come on, quickly tell me you understood this one. Understood nicely? Huh? Anyone is having any doubt, quickly ask, beta, I'll clear your doubt. Anyone is having any doubt, I'll clear your doubt. Quickly say. Gautam understood, others, Pooja, Shreya, everyone, Aparna understood, beta? Very good. So I hope you might have understood how to solve these type of questions. Huh? Okay, Kritika. So shall we go for next question, beta? Shall we go for next question? These type of questions are very important to solve. Okay. We'll go for next question. Question is, find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle concentric with the circle 2x square plus 2y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 39 equal to 0, and having its area 16 pi square units. And having its area 16 pi square units. Thank you, Pooja, Shreya. Now look here, beta. Aparna, understood? Now look here, beta. They have told two things here. One simple thing is that they have given the area of the circle, and they told that the circles are concentric. -4, -5 center. Super, Adit, super. So this time Adit has done it so fast. The center of the circle is super, beta. So we'll see what is the equation, -4 and -5. Wow. So correct only, beta. So now we only have to get the radius here. Now look here, two circles are there and the circles are concentric. One circle is there and another circle is there. Both the circles are concentric, and most important point is one circle area has been given. So this equation of the circle, let us consider, we don't know which circle is outside, which circle is inside. Okay, literally we are not knowing which circle is outside and which circle is inside. So we are going to take the circle area as, now we'll take the inner circle area as 16 pi. So inner circle area is taken as 16 pi. Okay. Now next is outer circle. They might have given equation of the circle as 2x square 2y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 39 equal to 0. So this is exactly the equation of the circle. But most important thing, one thing is there, and that is here x square 2x square plus 2y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 39 is the equation of the circle. From this equation only we can get the center, because concentric circles have a common center. What we know, that concentric circles have a common center. Concentric circle is having what? Concentric circle is having a common center. So this center will be common. This center will be exactly, concentric circle will have a common center. Okay. Concentric circle will have a common center. So let's play with that. So how to get the center? Equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 39 equal to 0. So now beta we will divide everything by 2. So once we will divide everything by 2, what will happen? It will become x square plus y square plus 4x plus 5y minus 39 by 2 equal to 0. So this is exactly now the equation of the circle. Now how to get the center beta? Center finding, simple formula, minus 1 by 2 into 4, okay, and then minus 1 by 2 into 5. Because 2, 2, 2, 2 will be there, so coefficient has to be 1. Coefficient has to be 1. Understood, Adit? So coefficient has to be 1. Beta, I didn't saw, Adit, that here 2 and 2 is there. So if 2, 2 will be there, beta, then first thing is that we have to divide the entire equation by 2. Then only when circle coefficient x square coefficient will be 1, y square coefficient will be 1, then only we can take this as and find the center. Okay, so now here this part is going to cut, and this part, sorry, this part is not, it cannot get cut. So here this part is coming as minus 2 and comma minus 5 by 2. So this is the center of the circle. The center of the circle is minus 2 and minus 5 by 2. Okay, now radius of the circle. How to get the radius of the circle? The equation of the inner circle is given. Equation of the inner circle, we told na ki area of the inner circle is given. Area of the inner circle is 16 pi. So what is the formula of area of circle? Area of circle is, if this is the radius of circle, r is the radius of circle. If r is the radius of this circle, r is the radius of this circle, then we can say that area of circle is pi r square. So this and this will get cancelled. So r square is coming as 16. So r is coming as 4. So radius overall is coming as 4. So radius is coming as 4. So once radius is coming as 4, now what will be the equation? Now equation is exactly going to be what? Now we have to get this equation of the circle, this equation. Now center we are knowing that minus 2 minus 5 by 2 and radius is coming as 4. So equation of the circle will be x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 5 by 2 whole square equal to 4 square, that is 16. 4 square, that is 16. Ashutosh, today why you are not solving here? Yesterday you were solving and showing so good performance. So now this equation will be coming, this equation is coming as x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 5 by 2 whole square equal to 4 square. So this will become the equation of the circle. I hope everybody understood how to solve this question. Because we have to find the equation of this circle. This circle equation given is, general equation is given this. From this circle we got the center, because both the circle are concentric. Concentric circle will have a common center. Concentric circle will have a common center. So this center is common. And then what next we have done? We got the radius beta. We got the radius by using this formula. That is area is equal to pi r square beta. Area equal to pi r square. By using that concept we have got this answer. Now shall we solve next question? Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle that passes through the point 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. Okay, so this is the next question. The question is find the equation of the circle that passes through the point 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. So this is the 3 points. These are the 3 points beta. These are what? These are the 3 points present on the circumference of the circle. That is what they have told. Now we have to exactly found the equation of the circle. So exactly literally what they have given, that one circle is given to you. In that circle 3 points are given to you. 1 comma 0. Another equation is minus 1 comma 0 and then 0 comma 1. Okay, so these are the 3 points present on the circumference of the circle. So we know what is the general equation of the circle. The general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation of the circle, and this is the general equation of the circle, and these three are the points that is present on the circumference of the circle. So that means since these points are present on the circumference of the circle, so it will satisfy the equation of the circle. It will satisfy the equation of the circle because this is exactly the points present on the circumference of the circle. These are what? These are the points present on the circumference of the circle. So it will satisfy the equation of the circle, beta. So here instead of x we can substitute. So since this point is exactly present on the circumference of the circle, so shall we substitute this one, substituting this on behalf of x and y, because so we will write only one point, we will write only one point, that is, that point is, since, so this is general equation of the circle, equation 1. Okay, so general equation GE of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, since 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 are points on the circle. So it will satisfy equation 1. It will satisfy the general equation. Super Ashutosh, welcome back. So this time he has given the answer x square plus y square equal to 1. Now how to get x square plus y square equal to 1, beta? The first strategy is put all the values of x and y, because this is exactly general equation. So these points are exactly representing x and y, ordinate and abscissa and ordinate. So we are going to substitute instead of x 0, and so for this point P, Q, R, so we will substituting this point. So now x will become 0 square plus y will become 1 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 1. First time I am doing it, next time you are going to solve only. So this part is exactly going to come as, this is 0, so it is coming as 1 plus g part is coming 0, 1 plus 2f plus c equal to 0. So one equation we got. Second equation, instead of x what you have to put? 1. So now this time first when substituting P point is 0 comma 1, this value substituted, Q point minus 1 comma 0, if you, this value you will be substituting, Q point minus 1 comma 0 value if you will be substituting, what will happen? Here x will become 1, y will become 0, now g part will be coming as minus 2g, g part is coming as minus 2g, f part will become 0, now c part is coming as, so this is equation 3. Now r point is 1 comma 0 again. Now x will be 1, y will be 0, this part will be, x is again 0 now, so gone. Here it will be coming as 2, r I am substituting now, tube light. So g part will not be 0, it will be 2g. F part will become 0. Okay, I hope I have not done any mistake. C is coming as C equal to 0. So now this part, if we will kill this one, so it is coming 2 plus 2c equal to 0. So c equal to minus 1. C is coming as minus 1. So the moment c is coming as minus 1, then to jackpot. So now c is coming as minus 1. So substituting c equal to minus 1 here. So here it will come 1 minus 2g minus 1 equal to 0. K, let g is coming as 0. Now substituting c equal to minus 1 here. So here it is coming as 1 plus 2f minus 1 equal to 0. Kill, let f is coming as 0. So now you have g value as 0, f value as 0 and c value as minus 1. Substitute all this in the general equation. What is your general equation? General equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So g part is 0, g part is 0, f part is 0. So equation is x square plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation. 6 o'clock ekta, 6 o'clock beta. C is coming as -1, na? So here -1 I'm going to write. Sorry Ashutosh, you are correct, I am wrong. 6 o'clock. Can you inform everyone, Ekta? 6 o'clock, beta. Okay? One concept is there, that concyclic points, I think concyclic point list is there or not, but one more is there, diameter form of a circle. So one concept is there. Shall I teach that concept also today, so that circle part will be over? Yes, 6 in morning, not in evening. Evening classes, other classes. Now look here, one small concept is left. Can I discuss that concept with all of you? So understood now? Then circle part will be over, then we will start parabola from tomorrow. So one small concept is there. That concept is, if a circle will be there, okay, if a circle will be there, and beta, because I started late today, I started late today, and examination is near, so how much time we are with solving questions, it will be good for you. So now look here beta, one small thing is there, that now we know that angles on the semicircle are exactly from the diameter point. You have to remember one thing, angles on the semicircle is right angle. Remember this part. So if AB is the diameter, this is called as diameter form of a circle. This is exactly called as diameter form of a circle. Diameter form of a circle. Now in class 9th, you have understood one theorem, and that theorem is angles on the semicircle is a right angle, because angles on the same arc will be exactly containing, if center angle, whatever center value will be there, if this is center, if this is 180 degree, then half of 180 degree will become 90 degree. By that point also you can remember like that, because from the same arc of the circle, if you are drawing, the angle subtended at the center is, if this is exactly going to be 80 degree, then this part will become 40 degree. But here this straight line is there, the chord is exactly, so from this arc, if it is coming 180 degree, then half of 180 degree will become 90 degree. From that theorem we can go like this. Or if we don't want to go by that theorem, then we can do one more other work. We can directly write that angles on the semicircle is a right angle. Okay, angles on the semicircle is a right angle. Angles on the semicircle is a right angle beta. That means now this is right angle. Now we are going to take three vertices point. Vertex point as x1 comma y1, this point taken as x2 comma y2, and this point taken as x3 comma y3. So now these 3 points are there. But most important thing, we are knowing that this AC is perpendicular to BC. Okay, AC is a line which is perpendicular to BC. Because since angle ABC equal to 90 degree by this theorem, so that means therefore we can say that AC is perpendicular, ACB, what I am doing, ACB equal to 90 degree. So we can say that AC is perpendicular to BC. AC is perpendicular to BC. Fine. So now we know the equation of circle now, equation of line in point form. Slope of line AC will be what? You know the slope equation now, for slope of a line in 2-point form is what? M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Like this we can write the slope equation. So here also we are going to write. So here 2 points are present. Now how to get the slope? Slope will become y3 minus y1 by x3 minus x1. Now slope of BC line, we can take this as m1 and we will take this as m2. Slope of line BC will be what? Again y2 minus y3 by x2 minus x3. Huh? Now beta, one thing is there that we know that both lines are perpendicular and slopes for perpendicular line will be what beta? Since AC is perpendicular, that means slopes will be, product of the slope will be equal to -1. So what are the slopes? y3 minus y1 by x3 minus x1 into y2 minus y3 by x2 minus x3, whatever line you are going to take, and it will be equal to -1. Okay, now shift this one that side. So y3 minus y1, y2 minus y3 equal to x3 minus x1, x2 minus x3. And now beta, shift this one this side, minus is there. When this will shift this side, it will become y3 minus y1 and y2 minus y3 plus x3 minus x1. I'll shift it that side. Okay, x3 minus x1, x2 minus x3. So this will be the diameter form of a circle. So this will be the diameter form of a circle. This will be the diameter form of a circle. This will become the diameter form of a circle. Okay. I hope you might have understood. Tomorrow one question we will solve with this, and then we will start what you call parabola. I'll give you the concept of parabola. All the concepts of that section I'm going to discuss tomorrow. So I'm going to keep it till here. Good night everyone. I hope you might have enjoyed the class today, learned anything. Okay, bye everyone. Good night.